Welcome back, students. Now today's topic is body BG color. Implementing of color in the HTML documents by using BG color attribute in body tag. Coming to our Notepad++, here it is our body tag, and right here body BG color equals to teal. Teal is in a color. Teal color look like green color. Control S save, Alt tab and refresh F5. See, the background will be changed to teal color. You can also use any color, yellow, save, refresh. Like that we can change the color also. And again, entire body text color also you can change by using text attribute and write green. Control S, save and refresh. See, the color will be changed to entire foreground will be changed to green color, right? Like that we can implement the BG color and text color to the entire document. Generally there are so many types of colors like WebGL colors, RGB colors, hexadecimal colors, like that. You can look at here. Here the colors will be like this: row 1, column 1 up to 9 into 9, and 9 is 81 colors codes are these. Generally I can write these colors also like black, gray, silver, white, yellow, lime, okay, aqua, like that we are also write these colors also. But you want more colors in these shades, use these hexadecimal colors. If you want to find a color code, some note will be given here. Use Photoshop color picker tool. You can easily find out the code of this HTML color code, right? I am giving this note also. To find a particular color code, use Photoshop color picker tool. Check only web colors. Check in the sense, tick mark the box. Choose your required color. Copy color code. It displays at the below the palette. Palette క్రిందన ఆ కలర్ కోడ్ చూపిస్తుంది. దాన్ని కాపీ చేసుకొని మీరు ఆ కలర్ కోడ్ని ఇందాక మనం రాసిన Notepad++ ఫైల్లో కలర్ ఈక్వల్స్ అని చెప్తున్నాం కదా, అక్కడ రెడ్, గ్రీన్, బ్లూ అలా అయితే చెప్తున్నాం కదా, అక్కడ మీరు ఈ కలర్ కోడ్ ఇవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది అనమాట. లైక్ FFFFF6 ఎఫ్లో ఉన్నాయి చూస్తారా, అలా 6 ఇస్తే అవి మనకి వైట్ కలర్ వస్తుంది అనమాట. చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో కూడా పైన టాప్లో చూపిస్తున్నాడు, రైట్? కనిపిస్తుందా మీకు ఇక్కడ? హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. Okay, next one, coming to next slide. These are the color implementation, BG color, alignment in heading, alignment, paragraph alignment. These are the alignments from paragraphs and headings. See here, font, size, color, face. Okay, right? Same thing here also we are using alignment, right, center, like that. Clear? Next one, numbers and bullets in HTML. If you want to implement point by point by representing some numerical numbers 1 2 3 4, like there are A B C D, or Roman numbers 1 2 3 4, or otherwise bullets like dots or squares or rectangles or square boxes, like that we can use these numbers and bullets in HTML by using order list and unorder list. Okay, see here example, unorder list UL tag, order list OL tag. OL in the sense order list, UL means unorder list. You can use an order. You want to implement OL tag. If you want to use bullets, use UL. In between these words are nothing but a list of the particular order list or unorder list. Okay, a list will be represented in LI. LI in the sense list index. These are the container tags. Next one I will show you like this. Here it is bullets. In MS Office we are using bullets and numberings like this, right? How to implement this kind of bullets and numberings in our HTML documents? Let us go to our Notepad++ slide. Right, I want to go to Notepad++. Here it is. Right, MS Office. This is heading 1 tag. I want to put it in heading 1. Right, in this heading I want to write some subheading or subpoints like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access. Like this we can write any number of points. List nothing but Access Mahindra. There are so many packages in MS Office package. There are so many applications in MS Office package, right? Let us save it and execute in our browser, refresh it. See, the implementation is looking like a single line, right? Here it is. If you want to put it in a list, list in sense LI, LI in sense list index. Okay, put your list in LI, right? I want to put this one like this. Control C, Control V, right? This is called just an list index. It displays just some small bullets. See here, by default displays like small bullets. If you implement an order list or unorder list, it look like just a list. If you want to any order, use OL. OL in the sense order list. Put it in this list as this, like this. F5. See, by default we are, see here I am zooming this one. By default 1 2 3 4 5 are the order list. If you want to change this order as alphabets like ABC, okay, type equals to A. I want to put this A in small letter, nothing but lowercase. You get ABCD is like small characters. If you want implement it as capital letter, place it A, capital letter A. Refresh it. And again, if you want to start from some fifth character onwards, then you can put it 5. Start equals to 5. It means A, B, C, D, E. From E onwards you can get the list as E, F, G, H, I. Like that you can also implement numbers also, like Roman numbers, like I in the sense small number, Roman number 1. Refresh it, F5. See here, from 5 onwards it will displace. If you want it as 15, then it will be displayed as 15 onwards. Like that, if you want to display in capital, that means big Roman numbers like this, you can get it. These are all order lists. Then if you want to implement unorder list, use same this thing as you want to implement as here UL in the sense unorder list, UL, right? Here no start attribute. Why? Because bullets are same in shapes, so we don't need to use start attribute. But see, refresh it. Here the implementation as disk. If you want to change the bullet as square, put it in type equals to square. Refresh it. See, the shape will be changed to square box. If you want it as disk, then it will be displayed like circle, right? By default it shows round circle only, right? Excuse me. Right, coming back to our slide. Here the examples of our syntax from these list index, order list, list index, order list. Here the type also Indo-Arabic, Roman numbers, small Roman numbers, alphabets A, capital A, small a. Okay, again here start can be a number or alphabet where the value should begin from the type. By default 1 to 3 is the by default. See here an example list, Photoshop, PageMaker, Corel, these are the list. Here 1 2 3 4 5 are the order list. Why? Because order 1 2 3 is the order, or ABCD is the order. It may be capital letter or small letter. If you want unorder list, use here as dot or square box, right? Thank you. Next class we are going to use how to use or how to put image in our document. Thank you all.